Hello, we are about to start Unit 2. Unit 2 will involve a specific type of argument essay called the Rogerian argument. It's from the psychologist Carl Rogers, and it involves an understanding of both sides of an issue and an acknowledgement that both sides have valid points. And through that process of understanding both sides of an issue, you come to make your claim about what you think would solve or address the problem. You're going to get lots of help with this type of argument, videos, handouts, and things. And also to help you, I actually have created the essay template that you are to use. So you don't actually have to set up your essay. I have done that for you just to make it a little easier for you to be able to do this paper without having to worry about formatting issues. So if you just download this document and then you're just going to replace all of this information with your own essay, keeping the headers. The headers are actually an important part of the Rogerian argument. It makes it also easier for you to really outline the different points that you're being asked to make. So if you download this template, you will have no problems correctly formatting your Rogerian argument. And I point that out because every year when I do this assignment, I have students who turn in poorly formatted Rogerian argument essays because they just made up their own. They found something online they thought would work. Just use this template. I've made it simple. Take advantage of that. So the other thing that's important about Unit 2 is that you're actually going to be working in smaller groups. You're going to be working, I didn't click on the right thing. Give me a second. You're going to be working on the essay based on these broad topic groups. So you're going to choose a topic group that you're interested in doing more research. And then within that broader group, there will be a smaller set of you working on related topics. And then you're going to choose your own subject to research and to write about. Obviously, it needs to be a subject that has some debate or controversy about it. If there's no argument about that subject, then it's not going to work for this essay. There is a small list of topics here that you may not write about. And I've put it in color and I've put it in bold and I'm emphasizing it here in the video because every semester a student does the first couple of assignments and writes about how they want to talk about abortion or gun control or animal testing. It is not that these are not important topics. It's that they are either so complicated that it's impossible for you to really just focus in on the debate. And it's also because they are really overwritten about, especially in English 1A classes. And they are topics that are just difficult for me to respond to because I've read about them over and over and over again. So please make sure you're aware of this. Again, I'm emphasizing it because every semester a student gets started and they've chosen a topic that I've said no to. There's plenty to write about here. And you're going to find as you learn to use the library's opposing views database that these broad topics are easily searched in that database. That will give you your starting point for this essay. So you're going to go into opposing viewpoints and you'll find a whole plethora of topics under law and politics or business and economics or health and medicine. There are limits to the number of students that can be in each category. So if there's something you're super passionate about, make sure you choose your group quickly. You'll have additional work in this unit on the Khan Academy site. Again, you may do those exercises and take that final unit test as often as you need to get all the points. You will have an assignment where you will be actually doing work with images. You're going to use an image in this essay as one of your sources. So this will be an important assignment to help you towards meeting that requirement. And then the essay will be due at the end of March 28th. Whether you use VeriCite to check that essay will be up to you, but I, of course, encourage you to use it just as a way to ensure that your writing is well done, well documented, and that you haven't missed anything. If you have any questions about this unit, please ask, and I am happy to help.